Chapter 3. In this chapter, Zakir surveys the aftermath of the recent disruptions along Mall Road. What was once a tumultuous sight has now settled into an unsettling stillness, devoid of any remnants of the havoc wreaked just the day prior. Zakir observes the stark absence of scattered debris and shattered glass, while traffic glides along seamlessly, contradicting the seeming disorder of the previous day. The college ambience has also regained its composure, as potted plants stand meticulously arranged and classes proceed without interruption. Students, previously engaged in vocal protests, now stroll peacefully across the campus. The juxtaposition between the fervent activism of the prior day and the present tranquil setting evokes a surreal sensation. Zakir leisurely walks along Mall Road, taking note of the transformations and partaking in conversations with individuals reflecting on recent occurrences. A palpable tension hangs in the air, conversations conducted in subdued tones as people exchange their accounts and viewpoints in whispers. The focal point of discussion centers on recent political developments, notably the state of affairs in East Pakistan. Subsequently, Zakir makes his way to the Shiraz and is met with a subdued ambience. Conversations are guarded, emotions conveyed in hushed tones. Irfan, a companion, delves into the uncertainty of the circumstances, underscoring the elusive nature of clarity while a palpable unease persists. The storyline veers unexpectedly as a white-haired gentleman interjects Zakir and Irfan's discussion. He recounts a personal tale, asserting that his hair whitened upon his arrival in Pakistan, suggesting that the journey signified a profound shift in his life. This anecdote introduces a mysterious element, leaving Zakir and Irfan perplexed. The white-haired gentleman's sudden arrival and enigmatic anecdote introduce an additional level of fascination to the evolving storyline. The examination of the effects of recent political events on individuals is depicted through the prism of Mall Road's evolution and the characters' responses to the shifting socio-political environment. Zakir contemplates the desolate and quiet rally ground beyond, finding comfort in its undisturbed state. As he endeavors to drift into slumber, his thoughts meander, revisiting his time teaching history at the college. He vents his frustration at the seemingly inconsequential inquiries posed by the students and the repetitiveness of the subject matter. In his introspection, Zakir delves into the concept of studying and teaching history, underscoring the difficulty of discerning familial relationships like full and stepbrothers within historical accounts. He reprimands a student for posing what he perceives as a trivial question, underscoring his dissatisfaction with the entire endeavor of conveying historical understanding. While engaged in his internal contemplation, Zakir admits to a tendency to escape from his own personal history, finding solace in the narratives of others akin to novels. Yet, current events compel him to confront his own past. The focus then turns to the recollection of the white-haired gentleman, who recounted a cryptic tale of his hair turning white upon his arrival in Pakistan. The chapter concludes as Zakir reflects on his own initial day in Pakistan, drawing a comparison between his encounter and that of the white-haired gentleman.